So we are back for another video. Today we have the PlayStation 5 console cover. And this is for the slim version, the CFI 2000 model group. Give your PS5 a little bit more of a custom look. Put in your favorite color. Match it with your controller. Or maybe just give it that pop. You can even mix match the plates. We got it for around $59. We'll put a link down below. Here's your barcode or serial number. So let's open it. Inside the box you have manual. 6 plates. Wow, that blue metallic finish just looks nice. You have those flakes there. You have that matte finish. There's 4 different colors. I was eyeing this one and the volcanic red. Which one do you have? Let us know in the comments below. And of course, I gotta match it with my controller. Look at that. I mean, there's actually a little bit of purple hint to it. Great combination. Let's go get our PS5. So each plate has your PlayStation logo or buttons. You got the X, circle, square, and triangle. So it would help you to put it on your PS5 so you won't get confused. Here's our slim. We do have the disc version. PlayStation is nice enough to actually give us both plates if you have the digital version or the disc. That's why in the back you have 2 circles, so you could just swap it. Let's put it down. You have 2 clips around here. So what you want to do is just kind of put pressure going this way and then up. 1, 2. Then just lift up going this way. There's actually 3 clips. There's one at the corner. Next one's a triangle. 2 clips here. 3 in the back. 2 clips. Put it back here. And press down. 3 clips back here. Then you just press it down. The other side, the X and square. You have 4 clips. Also, there's 4 clips in the back. Put it on. The last one, you got the square. 2 clips here. 3 clips in the back. Just an FYI, with the darker plates, you do see a little bit more of the dust compared to the white one. So you're going to be wiping your PS5 more often. Now we change it to cobalt blue. What do you think of this color? Yeah, blue metallic finish. Also, it's not like the white one where the top one is glossy and the bottom is matte. It's just one solid color. Just put in the stands. This is if you have it facing down. And of course, we gotta match it with our controller. Let us know which color plates you bought. You can actually also mix and match it with the white and blue. You want it glossy on top. Or you want the flat and matte at the bottom. Okay, this doesn't look bad either. You got the glossy white on top, matte blue at the bottom. It will give it more pop. It does stand out more. Or you could do half and half. Blue in the top, white at the bottom. Both matte finish. Or the disc drive be white. Or half and half. In case you're curious what it looks like on the digital version. So that's the PlayStation 5 console covers. This one's for the slim version, the CFI 2000 model group. Comes in 4 colors. This one's cobalt blue. It's for both disc drive and digital version. We got it for around $59. We'll put a link down below for the updated price. Subscribe and thank you for watching. So let's hurry it up to another video.